Hello viewers, the biggest attraction in Australian immigration is their well-streamlined permanent residency pathways. Mainly, if you are a 482 subclass work permit visa holder, you always look for how you can convert your visa into a permanent residency visa. And that's what exactly we're going to see in this video, the options you have and also what are the pathways you have. Step number one, you need to understand your current 482 subclass visa category conditions, because the 482 has three parts, which is basically it can be short term, medium term and the labor agreement. You need to understand under what category that your employer has given you a sponsorship and nomination. Based on that, we can plan that how you can convert your 482 into a PR. Step 2, determine your eligibility. Converting your 482 into a PR also have specific entry requirement criteria. For an example, the 482 visa which you're holding for a specific period, meeting the English language requirements, nominations and sponsorships, positive skill assessment from relevant authorities, for example the TRA or ACS, Engineers Australia, depends on which category you're coming under, meeting health and character requirements, complying with visa conditions, for example work for your sponsoring employer. There are 4 pathways for your PR in Australia. For an example, starts with that 189 subclass, which is a skilled independent individual where that doesn't require any sponsorship. The next one is a skilled nominated visa, subclass 190. This requires nomination by a state or a territory government. The next one is an employer nomination scheme, very popularly known as the ENS, subclass 186, for those sponsored by an Australian employer. And finally, the subclass 187 RSMS, Regional Sponsored Migration Scheme. Those positions are available in the regional part of Australia. Step 4, gather the required documents. This is including all your identification documentations within Australia, as well as your employment records, pay slips and related documents, as well as any qualifications, skill assessment, English language requirements, which is all required, which is mandatory for your next step in your visa. Step 5, lodge an expression of interest, EOI. Depending on your PR visa subclass, you may need to submit an EOI through the skilled select system. This allows you to express your interest in applying for the permanent residency. Step 6, wait for an invitation. After applying for an EOI, you have to wait for an invitation for your PR visa. Invitations are typically based on your points score and the demand for your occupation. Step 7, apply for your PR visa. Once you receive an invitation, you can formally file your PR application. Make sure that you have enclosed all the documents which is required. Also, you make the payment for the application fee. You may need to undergo medical examinations and provide the PCC, the police clearance certificates, to meet the health and character requirements. Step 9, await for the decision. The processing time for your PR application will vary from case to case basis. So please be patient till that your visa application is being assessed. As you are aware, in 2023 and 24, the government has put additional resources to speed up the visa process. So we hope that the duration for the processing time will considerably reduced. Hopefully, we can get the decision much quicker. Step 10, receive the PR visa. Once your application is successful, you will receive the permanent residency visa in Australia. That will allow you to stay permanently, and also you have other benefits which you are entitled, including your health, also the family and the education support. Remember, the PR process is complex and it's also subject to change time to time. It is highly recommended that you consult a registered migration agent or any advisors who can support you and also advise you time to time how the progress of your application is moving forward. And we are always there to assist you if you need any help. Hope this particular video is helpful to you, and I wish you very good luck converting your 482 subclass work permit visa into a permanent residency and you become an Aussie mate. Good to see you and see you soon.